Well, today we are going to start with our exercise 2.4, question number 3. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following. So, we are going to be assume let gx is equal to 0. So, our gx is x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 1. Minus 1 is shifted to the right hand side. So, we can say that value of x is equal to 1. So now in our question, first px is equal to x square plus x plus k. So we are going to again assume let px is equal to 0. So x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. Now instead of x we are going to keep the value of x, that is 1. So it is 1 square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus k is equal to 0. 2 is shifted on the right hand side, so k is equal to minus 2. Again px is equal to 0. So 2x square plus kx plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. We know that value of x is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2 is equal to 0. So 2 plus k plus root 2 is equal to 0. 2 is shifted on the right hand side, becomes minus 2. Then k plus root 2 is equal to minus 2. Again root 2 is shifted on the right hand side, becomes minus root 2. So k is equal to minus root 2 minus 2. So k is equal to, I am taking 2 as minus s common. So it becomes 2 into bracket 2 plus root 2. Question number 3. Px is equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. So P1 is equal to 0. So kx square minus root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Instead of x we are going to place 1. So k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. So it is k minus root 2 plus 1. So I am shifting root 2 and plus 1 on the right hand side. So minus root 2 becomes plus root 2, plus 1 becomes minus 1. So k is equal to root 2 minus 1. Question number 4. Question is given to you as px is equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. So we are going to take p1 is equal to 0. So kx square minus 3x plus k is equal to 0. Instead of x I have placed 1. So it is k minus 3 plus k. K plus k is 2k. Minus 3 shifted on the right hand side becomes plus 3. So 2k is equal to 3. So k is equal to 3 upon 2. Now factorize the following. Be careful, I have shown you each and everything over there in this sum. So the 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Now 12x square is not a perfect square. So we have to factorize the number. We have to split this middle term, that is minus 7x into 2 form such that the product is equal to 12. The coefficient is given to you as 12 and 1. So you are going to multiply 12. 1s are 12. So the splitting of 7 will be plus or minus will be 7 and the product will be 12. So I written the factors of 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. So from these three numbers, okay, you will get plus or minus is equal to 7. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So I got the factors of 7, that is minus 4x minus 3x. Minus minus plus, that is 4 plus 3 7 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12. So I factorize it, 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. So out of first two numbers I have taken 4s common. From these two numbers I have taken 4s common. So it is 4 3s are 12. So 3 comes over there. From x square I have taken x as common. So x is left. 4x whole as a common. So nothing is left, means it is minus 1. Here it is 3x plus 1. Nothing is common. So I have taken minus 1 as common. So the sign in the bracket changes. The plus becomes minus. So my common number is 3x plus 1 and 4x minus 1. For factorization, be careful. These brackets which you are getting should be same, exactly same. Then and then only your answer is right. Again, be careful for the second sum. If you are having any doubt, please make the doubt clear over here. So 2x square plus 7x plus 3. As the coefficient is given to you, you are going to multiply by the constant term, that is 2 3s are 6. Now you are going to write the factors of 6. Factors of 6 are 1 into 6 and 2 into 6. So now I want 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, 6 plus 1 is 7. So I got my factors, 2x square plus 6x plus x. 6 plus x is 7. And 6 ones are is 6. So multiplication was 6. So I am getting my answer, 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. So from here I am taking common. 2x is common. 2 has gone as common. X square, 1x has gone as common. So 1x is left. X has gone as common. So 2 3s are 6. So my common bracket will be x plus 3. Over here it is x plus 3. Nothing is common. So plus 1 is common. And x plus 3. So the common bracket is x plus 3 which I have taken as common bracket. An uncommon number, that is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is my answer. Question number 3. Again 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Dear friends, coefficient is given to over here in the first term. That means we are going to multiply 6 by the constant sum. So it becomes 6 into 6 is minus 36. Okay. So I am writing the factors of 36. 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9 and 6 into 6. Now I want plus and minus of the number is equal to plus 5. So it is 9 minus 4 is 5. So I am taking the factors 9 and 4. So it is 6x square plus 9x minus 4. 9x minus 4x is plus 5. And 9 4s are is 36. Okay. So I am taking common, that is 3x is common. 3 2s are 6. Here x is gone as common and 3 2s are 6. Here 3 3s are 9 and x has gone as common. So 3x into 2x plus 3. Over here I am taking 2 as common. So it will be 2x plus 3. Minus is taken common. So this minus sign becomes plus. I have got two brackets same. So the common bracket, that is 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2. That is the common number. Again 3x square minus x minus 4. Coefficient is given, that means we are going to multiply by the constant term, that is 3 4s are 12. I am writing the factors of 12, 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. Now plus minus should be 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So I got my factors 4x minus 3x. So I have written minus 4x because I want answer minus 4 in the last term. So I am taking minus 4x plus 3x. Plus or minus minus. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 4 3s are is 12. Okay, 4 3s are is 12. That is minus 12. Okay. So I am taking x as common. So 3x minus 4 is left as uncommon. In 3x minus 4 I am taking plus 1 as common. So I got the common bracket, that is 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4. So common bracket is 3x minus 4 and uncommon number is x plus 1. X plus 1. Now dear friends, this is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. There are 4 terms in this sum. Okay. Well, so neither of them, any 3 number is a perfect square is not possible. So these sums we are going to do by the table method. Be careful, this is an important sum. So first of all we are going to find out sum of all the coefficient. The coefficient of x cube is 1. Minus 2x square is minus 2. Minus x is minus 1 and plus 2 is 2 as it is. So plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3 and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So my answer is 0. When the sum of the coefficient is 0, remember x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. And if it is any other number, negative or positive, then x plus 1 will be the factor. Here the sum is 0. So x minus 1 is the factor of given polynomial. So we are going to assume let gx is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. I have got the value of x is equal to 1. Now you are going to make a table in this form and you are going to write all the coefficient. All the coefficients were 1, minus 2, minus 1 and plus 2. Okay. So I have written all the coefficients over here, 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus and plus 2. You are going to place 0 over here. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then x is equal to 1, that I have kept it over here. So 1 ones are is 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 ones are minus 1. Minus minus becomes plus. So it is minus 2. Minus 2 ones are minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Remember well, last number the answer should be 0. Okay. Then and then only it is right. So when we are factorizing, this will be written as x square minus x minus 2. Okay. Well, see the sum. Okay. The question given to you is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So I am not writing the second step first. I will write third step. X minus 1 was the factor of it. Okay, so I am writing, as there were 4 terms, I have to write it 3 times. If there are 5 terms, you have to write it 4 times. So x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, before I have shown you, I have written over here x square minus x minus 2. So I am going to multiply this bracket by that number, that is x square minus x minus 2. Multiplying this by this number in our, so x square into x is x cube, x square minus 1, x square into minus 1 is x minus x square, minus x into x is minus x square, minus x into minus 1 is plus x, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, and minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. I hope you have understood it. First you are going to write third step, then you are going to write second step. Now x minus 1 is a common bracket. So I have written over here, common bracket. Uncommon number left is x square minus x plus minus 2. Now I can factorize this number. Okay, 2 ka factor is 2 ones are 2. So I have factorized the number x square minus 2x plus x minus plus minus 2 minus x is 1x and minus 2 as it is. X minus 1, that was a common factor. So I am factorizing this number. I am finding common is x. So uncommon number left is x minus 2. Nothing is common means 1. So x minus 2. So common bracket x minus 2, uncommon bracket x plus 1, and x minus 1, which was the common bracket right from the beginning. So your answer is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. I am going to do some 3-4 sums so that this step will be clear to you. Second sum is again x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. The sum of all the coefficient is, okay, that is sum of all the 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. So minus 9 minus 5 14, minus 14 plus 3 minus 17 plus 1, that is minus 16. As I am getting minus 16, okay, x plus 1 will be the factor of the given polynomial px. So let gx is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. Now I am writing the table, all the coefficient of the given question 1, minus 3, minus 9 and minus 1. X is equal to minus 1, that I am going to write it over here. For first number you are going to place 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 ones are 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus minus is 4. So it becomes minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 4. So minus 9 minus 4 is minus 5. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 5. Plus minus becomes 0. So my question was x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Don't write this second step right now. First we are going to write x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. And from this number, okay, this will be x square minus 4x minus 5. So I am multiplying it by minus x square into x plus 1 minus 4x into x plus 1 minus 5 into x plus 1. Multiplying the bracket, I will get x square into x is x cube, x square plus 1 into x square, minus 4 into x is equal to minus 4x square, minus 4 plus 1, that is multiplied by minus 1, plus 1, it is minus 4, minus 5 into x, minus 5, and minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Now I have got the common bracket, that is x plus 1. Uncommon number are left, x square minus 4x minus 5. I can factorize this number, that is minus 5x plus 4, minus 5x or minus 5x plus x, plus of minus minus, 5 into x is minus 4, and 5 ones are is 5. So I factorize that number, x into x minus 5 plus 1 into x minus 5. So x plus 1, my common bracket right from the beginning. Here the common bracket x minus 5, and x plus 1 is the uncommon bracket. So my answer is x plus 1 into x minus 5 into x plus 1. Sum number 3. The question given to you is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So sum of all the coefficient 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20 is equal to 66. So x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So gx is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. I have got the value of x, that is minus 1. Now I am writing all the coefficients over here. 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. 1, 0, 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 13 minus 1 is plus 12. Plus 12 into minus 1 is minus 12. 32 minus 12 is 20. 20 ones are 20. Plus of minus minus, so minus 20. Plus minus gets cancelled. So my answer is 1 plus 12 plus 20. That means it is x square plus 12x plus 20. X square plus 12x plus 20. Now I am writing the question. Okay, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So I am not going to write this second step right now. For that I am going to write third step first. X plus 1 is a factor. As there are 4 times, I am going to write x plus 1 3 times. And as we have seen over here, this is x square, x and 20. So multiplying this common x plus 1 by first term with x square, second with 12x and third with 20. Multiplying the x into x square into x is x cube, x square into 1 is x square, 12x into 1 is 12x square, 12x square into 1 is 12x, 20 into x is 20x, 20 into 1 is 20. So my common number is x plus 1, that I have taken. Uncommon number x square plus 12x plus 20, that I have written over here. I am factorizing this thing. I want the sum is equal to 12 and the product is equal to 20. So 10 2s are 20. So 10 plus 2 is 12 and 10 2s are 20. So I have factorized 12x into 2 form. X plus 1 the common bracket. I have factorized this number x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. Make it clear. 10 plus 2 is 12 and 10 2s are 20. Okay. So x plus 1 the common bracket. I am factorizing. X is common in first two numbers over here. X is common, so it is x common x plus 10. 2 is common over here, so it is x plus 10. 2 into x plus 10. So my common number was x plus 1 before. Over here the common bracket is x plus 10 and uncommon is x plus 2. That is my final answer. Question number 4. Okay. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. I am finding sum of all the coefficient. That is 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. That means y minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So py is equal to 0. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1. I am writing all the coefficient, that is 2 plus 1 minus 2 and minus 1. Below the first number you are going to place 0 and 2 ones are 2. Y ka value I have got at 1, so it will be 1. So 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 ones are 3. Plus of minus minus. 3 minus 2 is 1. Greater number sign, so it will be plus. 1 ones are 1. So plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so 0. Make it clear, last number the answer should be always, it should be 0. Now I am writing my question, that is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. I am not going to write the second step. I have represented y minus 1, y minus 1, y minus 3 times. Here I have got, okay, this will be 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So I am multiplying it by 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Multiplying this number 2y square into y, that is 2y cube. 2y square into minus 1, it is minus 2y square. 3y into y is equal to 3y square. 3y into minus 1 is minus 3y. 1 into y is y. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So from here I am getting my common bracket, that is y minus 1. And the uncommon bracket is 2y square plus 3y plus 1. I can again factorize this number. It is 2y multiplied by 1y. So 3y. Okay. 2y plus 1y, that is 3y. And 2y, 1s are 2y. 2 I am multiplying by to the constant term, that is I want the factor as 2. So 2 ones are is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So y minus 1 was my common bracket. Here 2y is common, so it will be 1. Nothing is left over here, means it is 1. That is 2y into y plus 1. Here y plus 1, so I am taking 1 as common, so it is 1 into y plus 1. So the common bracket right from the beginning, y minus 1, y plus 1, the common bracket which I have got over here, and okay, 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1. Do this sum. I am sending you the photo and I have given you some homework to do. Please do that sums. Thank you.